boys and girls, it's Friday. It's time to review what we learned during the week. Let's just go back quickly and go over all our new concepts. In reading this week, we learned a new sight word, my, M-Y, my. It shows possession, like these are my glasses. We also learned about letter H, uppercase H, lowercase h, hippo. Very good. Make that sound with me one more time. Uppercase H, lowercase h, hippo. Very good. Yes. We also read a Kevin Henke's book, My Garden, which I think you all enjoyed. I'm going to turn my bench a little bit so you can see it. My Garden. And that was a wonderful story. The main character used her imagination and she grew all kinds of wonderful bushes and plants in her garden, like a jelly bean bush. Do you remember that? Kevin Henkes is also the author of Lily's Purple Plastic Purse, and we have read that one in class. Just a reminder, if you like Kevin Henkes as an author, go on to BookFlix because we have Chrysanthemum on there, and I believe Fuchs also has Chester's Way. Alrighty, now in social studies, we learned about citizenship. We learned about the importance of rules and how it's important to follow rules. They keep us safe. And we also talked about things like respect, responsibility, safety, and being kind, treating other people the way you want to be treated. In social studies, we also followed up with things that we can do to keep you safe, things that you can do. For example, following the rules in your own home, because following rules is something we need to do, whether you're in your school community or your home community. In science, we learned about the sky. We learned about the sky, the place where you see things like the sun, clouds. That's the day sky. That's really what we focused on. Next time we talk about science, we'll be doing and learning about the night sky. Remember the sun? Mrs. E told you it was a star. It gives us light and heat, and it's the closest star to our planet. What planet do we live on, everybody? Planet, that's right, planet Earth. Very good. And we learned this week that it appears that the sun is moving in the sky, but it's really not. What's moving is our Earth, our planet Earth. It spins and spins just like this top. And I think you probably like the top, so I'm going to demonstrate it one more time. I use the force of a pull and a push. We've practiced those forces in class when we push out and we pull in. Very good. Now I'm going to pull up and I'm going to push down. And you will watch the top spin. That's like our planet. It is also always spinning, but so fast you do not feel it. You do not feel it. So again, in the day sky, we have the sun, a great big star, and we have clouds. Now, they're not made of cotton. Think back. What did I tell you? Yes, clouds are made of water droplets. Very good. A mass of tiny water droplets, and they float along in the clouds, in the sky rather. And when they get very, very heavy, precipitation happens. When it's warm, it's rain. When it's cold, it's snow. It's snow. So in reading, we learned about letter H and the sight word my. We learned that all living things need water, food, air. A living creature would need a shelter, a person or an animal. But plants, they need space to grow, space to grow. In social studies, we learned about good citizenship, following rules. Another word for that is laws. In social studies, we learned about, science, we learned about the day sky. And about the stars, the sun rather, and also we learned about the clouds. All right, in math, we learned about a great big number. Mrs. E told you it rhymes with hen. It's number 10, and it was a double-digit number. So this was a fun number to work with this week, and using first a 5 frame to review, and then we put it together to make a 10 frame. So boys and girls, I hope you really enjoyed your week of lessons, but I'm going to put on some ears right now. Can you see that? Maybe I'll move my bench back just a little bit. Can you see my bunny ears? Why am I wearing them? Well, for many of our friends, I think all of you celebrate Easter. And guess what? This Sunday is Easter Sunday, and I have a surprise for you. I brought along my friend, Henry Hamster, and he's going to sing a song just for you. Now, in April, we had a lot of holidays. We had, April Fool's Day, which was, I think it was Wednesday, April Fool's Day, where you can play pranks. We have Passover for some of our friends this week, and Easter, and we celebrated spring back, I think, in March, and we celebrated with Ajay the holiday of Holi. Yeah, we learned that it's better to be good, and good always triumphs over evil. And I want you to listen to my friend as he sings his song. You ready? You're going to like this, I know it.
I made a colored Easter egg, I made it pink and blue, and if you hunt then you will find my Easter gift to you. Running with my basket, with all my sweets and cheer, the Easter bunny's wishing you lots of fun this year. Spring has sprung, Easter has come, for all the little children, it's time to laugh and run. Running with my basket, with all my sweets and cheer, the Easter bunny's wishing you lots of fun this year.
Yeah, I know you're saying, do it one more time. Okay, I will.
I made a colored Easter egg, I made it pink and blue, and if you hunt then you will find my Easter gift to you. Running with my basket, with all my sweets and cheer, the Easter bunny's wishing you lots of fun this year. Spring has sprung, Easter has come, for all the little children, it's time to laugh and run. Running with my basket, with all my sweets and cheer, the Easter bunny's wishing you lots of fun this year.
And I'm wishing you the happiest Easter. And let's hope this spring the weather gets warmer and we see the sun shining just a little bit more. And I want to blow you all a great big kiss. Mwah! I love you, and thank you for working so hard. I know that you have been working very hard. Your mommies and daddies are telling me so. So congratulations to you. All right, friends, goodbye. Have a happy, happy Easter. Did I show you the number 10, by the way? Number 10. Yep, we did number 10. Had to get that in. All right, bye, everybody. Bye. Have the very, very best Easter. Mwah.